All right, let's welcome back to Septy101. Let's learn how to create our first QR code. First of all, we need a Box account, a Dropbox account, or a Google Drive, and that's going to go ahead and help us do this. So right here, I went into my Box account. I'm going to go into Share because I want to share this safety docs station that I have created in a PDF document. I click Share. It does give me the option to invite people by adding their email addresses, and here it says invite as an editor, or I can just go back and share this link. People with the link can view and download, and that's exactly what I want. I just want to let anyone that can scan that code can actually download this document. One of the things that I can go ahead and do is go to QR code, and I'll type QR code stuff.com. And I do have an account. In this case, you are not currently logged in, so I'm in the free account. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy that QR code, that URL that I actually extracted from the share drive, paste it. It does give me the option to a static QR code. If I click static, actually it creates a little bit more bars, so it makes it a little bit difficult or a little bit harder to scan it. If I put dynamic, it changes the format on it, so it makes it a lot easier to scan. The big difference is on dynamic, you can actually track and see how many people are actually opening your QR codes. And on the other one, it just kind of stays static. You can't really see any background on it or what happened with that QR code. So it depends on what you want. There is an option here where it says sign up. You get so many free QR codes, but you also have a subscription here depending on what you want to do, how you want to track, and it gives you the features like 25 QR code data times, dynamic codes, the design. There's many things you can actually do with it, but right now we're just going to go ahead and do a QR code. So back here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to look at this QR code right here. I'm going to download it. One of the things you do have to make sure that you understand is that it doesn't download it as a regular image. It has to download it as an MPG. So here I have the MPG. It's an image. If you would grab this right now and scan it with your phone, if you have an iOS 11 or higher with your iPhone, or some of the Androids actually have this feature also in place. So you might want to make sure you have that. Okay, here's the image. I'm going to go ahead and bring it down slower so you can see it. All right, I'm going to scan it. This is just to verify it before I save it in my computer. I saw it on my phone. You can actually see that. It's actually there. So I'm going to go ahead and save as. Make a copy of it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And I'm going to look for a folder that actually says Myco. There it is. Myco, I'm going to put Myco on it. I'm going to put, let's say, Septy doc. Yeah, right. I'm going to save it. I exit. Now, actually, I have an account where I can actually I have an account where I can actually show and I'm gonna print this QR code here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to browse, and I'm going to look for this other, and we called it Septy101 Qr. See how the image is in here? Just going to scan it if it's... And I'm going to print it. Exit. And I'm going to go ahead and go on back into my computer. Let's go back into the screen. Okay. And I'm going to go into this QR code generator. It says scan. And I'm going to actually scan this. And I'm going to open it and see what comes out. So here I have the option to download this document. See, there's the option to download this document. You can actually click here, change the logo on it, or you can click here, put the poster, or change it. Here I got a couple letters of designation. Here you got contact Jesse Morales, and you can save this document as a PDF and hyperlink it. So that's kind of how we do the QR codes. Very simple. As I mentioned before, you do need to make sure that you have a box account, and then you can go ahead and scan the QR code in here. And you do have other options over here on the side. Now, some of these options actually have to have the subscription in place, right? But you can actually go ahead and extract YouTube videos. See, it has here the option on it, so you can put YouTube videos on it. You just click that QR code. That URL. So this is kind of the in session for the QR codes. I'm going to go ahead and the next video we'll talk about how to insert those QR codes in a PDF, and also how we can link them to other documents. Right, that's it for today, and let's put something else on another day. So thank you for looking at this video.